Peter with D-Trans here. Today I will be showing you how to properly check your tires. First things first, you would check what the recommended tire pressure for your truck would be. And to do that, it's most of the time it's on your driver door. For example, this one requires 110 in the front and 110 in the rear. So you would get your gauge out. Drivers should have one of these with them all the time. So you would take off your valve stem cap. Make sure this one is at 110. So this is good. When you put the cap back on, make sure you don't have any dirt stuck in there, because sometimes it will push the valve, a Schrader valve, and it'll leak. So you'll make sure there's no dirt, put that back on, finger tight. Things to look for on your tire is any uneven wear, any tire damage, any sidewall damage, and also any hopping of the tire. I'll show you right here. I have some good examples of what to look for. Here's a tire with some tread damage, and here's also a tire with with hopping. And then also make sure, if you're concerned with the tread height, let somebody know for them, mechanic, to check the tread height. The rear should be at least 230 seconds, and the front steer should be at least 430 seconds of tread. Make sure to prevent things like this happening, watch the curbs. This is most likely from a U-turn. Try to avoid doing U-turns, because it causes damage to the tires. That will be all for today.